Soil is made when rocks break down and mix with plant and animal matter, and the properties of your soil are largely determined by the amount of organic material it contains, plus the type of parent rock it comes from. There are three basic soil types. There's sand, clay and silt. Now, if you feel a natural sandy soil, it'll feel gritty in your hand. And that's because the sand particles are comparatively large. If I was looking at them underneath a microscope, sand particles might look about this size. And when they come together, there are plenty of air spaces in between the particles. That's why sandy soils are hungry. They drain very, very freely, and nutrients will leach straight through them. On the other end of the scale, you've got clay particles, which are so tiny it's difficult for me to show you something to represent their size. Clay particles are flat and they pack down on top of each other, and that means clay soils are heavy and there's very little airspace in between them. So clay soils can become waterlogged. Silt, on the other hand, is somewhere between clay and sand, and the particles would be around about these sort of sizes. Silty soils can be difficult to wet when they're dry, and they can be difficult to drain when they're wet. But with the addition of organic matter, silty soils are quite workable.